Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just do me a favor, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, then only getting the notification when I adding the new videos for you. Today I'm going to do some landscape pictures for the beginners and great helping for the attending the in competition for the kids. So you can enjoy with the art in this journey in the new pictures. Just let's go. Now I'm going to creating then first area in the nature. I mix the colors darker green with the black color, or you can mix to their darker green plus Prussian blue also. Now I never drawing anything from in this picture. I'm straightly will be start the painting. After that flat washing darker green plus black little add the black color. In this time do not use some more water. You should try to apply the very thick layer. Mostly we are using the acrylic colors of very thick layers and they need to no more water. Just one drop only will be adding the water for the flexible for the moment of brush stroke. Just to fill the color flat washing. Now putting the laminate first start with the trees stroke. It's a further test. You try to cover it bit of portion or large area, then only you can getting the light and shade from in the stroke. Automatically will be getting to dark medium colors in the stroke. It's a great supporting for the background colors, that is a dark color. It's a great supporting for the getting the dark and medium. Yeah, will be closely will be do that stroke and application also. Now showing the background color for that darkness. In this time you can change the directions, slanting, standing, anything. What about that? Like will be change the direction. So many trees covered in the portions. It's exactly done for area. Front of area I'm using the more lighting, lamina low. Again will be do the stroke, tree stroke, and there also you're given the more lighting. Beginners will be clearly understand, do not use the direct colors. You'll be adding some other colors with which colors per measure. Now I'm providing some lighting. I'm using more lighting for the laminate for the lighting. Clearly understanding our plan is to vary providing the lighting in this picture, because lighting is very important. Always it's lighting is a great supporting for the realistic front of area. I am providing the more lightness. It's coming beautiful. Now apply the basic color for the water area. I'm using lemon yellow and a little at the green color for direction of sleeping. Just to fill the colors to there. It's for the flat washing. Now complete the flat washing for the water area. Then we are mixing the color, burns in a little black color. I would like to create some rocks. Yeah. Just take your shapes for the rocks. Just take a straight line. After that you fill the color. Acrylic colors is a great supporting for the creativity. So we It's a great supporting for the creativity. Simply we can do the creativities in the acrylic mediums. It's a quick drawing also. I'm providing some shades first there. Now do the reflections for the rocks. Do the reflections. It should be most to wall. Beginners, we always should move the hands very freehandly. Now mixing the benzene and a little luminol for the lighting for the rocks area. Both sides will be providing the lighting. No need to extraordinary brightness to there, just medium color. There also we are using technical of trees sleeping direction. The exactly technical for the where is using for the greenery portions. That same stroke is from the rocks area, but there's change the direction. There is a sleeping. Now I'm creating the waterfalls. So water waves. Centrally we are providing the reflections for the waterfalls. Try to merge it. I'm getting more the brightness for the fall. Wow. It's a beautiful scene, the nature's waterfalls. I'm always very crazy about the nature's. I love the green color also. Because nature. It's water waves. And try to merge colors to there. And there will be creating some bushes. They're using reading green plus little at the black color. We took the basic color. After that we are providing the lightings to there. Then I'm putting the some flowers. Yeah, you can use to there small and big dotted effect. Some grass. Now do the highlight for the somewhere only, just a few lights. I'm using luminol and a little at the white color for the highlight. Somewhere only coming to that. Beginners will be plans to well where is the coming to light source. They are only providing to that. Now I'm mixing the dark brown with the white color for the taking branches and the trunk. Beginners will be practicing individually for the trunk and branches. After that you try on the picture, because we all need to good hand fluency first to that, then only we can do simply. It's a great supporting for the realistic for the trunk, and when we'll be adding the trunk and branches, it's a great supporting. I'm adding a lot of branches and trunks to there because it shouldn't fall stereo. Yeah, broadly I'm providing to there. After that I'm providing some lighting, just making highlight. Few personally. I'm creating some branches from all the coming from rocks area. Yeah, some branches. It's getting more realistic on detailing. After that, just putting the leaf, just a pointer leaf proposed there. Yeah, okay. Now you are providing some lighting for the detailing. I'm using light green for the detailing, slanting direction. That time I'm using the brush 0 or number 1. You can use the brush to the 0 or number 2, depending the size of picture also. I'm doing more highlighting the water area for the detail works. Just a fine stroke. Finally complete this picture. I hope so all of you are enjoying within this art. Everyone's try to enhance on canvas or paper. Thank you so much for the joining with me.